Hi guys, I'm Anna, trainer from AiHouse. In this course, we will learn some basic operations of free modeling, which can help us model products and structures. Now let's go to the design interface. Click Free Modeling. Here is the free modeling design interface. On the left, in the model library, here are some models you can use, like houses. Under Stairs, let's drag a stair. We want to change its attributes. You need to click it, ungroup it first. And if you want to save it, you need to draw a floor plan first. So let's draw a floor plan. Now you can save the scheme. Give it a name. Save it. Now let's go back to the free modeling design interface. Delete the stair model. In the middle, here we can see 3 lines with different colors. These are the coordinate axes. The red one is x-axis. The green one is y-axis. The blue one is z-axis. At the top, here is our toolbar, Import. Here you can upload your local CAD drawings and SketchUp files. And here are some rules you need to follow. First, the format of a CAD drawing can be DXF or DWG. Second, the maximum size is 5M for CAD and 10M for SKP. Third, the maximum number of lines in a CAD drawing is 4,000. For SketchUp files, it is 10,000. 4. The maximum area of space in your files is 160 by 160 meters. 5th, make sure the polylines in your file are closed. 6th, we do not support the upload of files with complex arcs yet. First, I will demonstrate how to design the wall in the picture to show you some basic features of free modeling. Click Draw. Here you can draw line, rectangle, polygon. And here we just choose rectangle. Also, you can use Shortcut R to open it. First, let's draw a surface of the wall. Use 2 points to control the rectangle. And at low position, here you can set its size. Like here I set its length to 2,800. And then press Tab key to set its width to 4,200. Enter to confirm. Double right-click to exit. Then I want to divide this rectangle into 2 rectangles. So let's choose auxiliary. Add auxiliary line. Let's start from the left side. And set the distance to 600. Enter to confirm. Right-click to exit. Here is auxiliary line to help us divide the area. Then let's draw the line. Click Draw. Choose Line. Use 2 points to control it. And when the color of the line is black, it means the line is not horizontal or vertical. And when the color of the line turns to blue, it means the line is vertical. Also right-click to exit. Then we can click this little rectangle. Choose Stretch. Stretch it. It will be converted to a 3D structure. And we set the stretch number to 600. Enter to confirm. Then press Shift key. When you see this little plus sign, you can stretch another 3D structure. And here I set the stretch number to 100. Enter to confirm. Double right-click to exit. And here you can see. There are 2 different surfaces. Next, I will design the cabinet. First, draw rectangle. Choose Draw Rectangle. Set the length to 700. Then press Tab key. Set the width to 450. Enter to confirm. And then choose Stretch. Stretch it to 2,800. Enter to confirm. 2,800 is the height of the cabinet. Then double right-click to exit. Then choose Offset. Offset inward by 30. Enter to confirm. 30 is the thickness of the cabinet. And you can also spread it out. Double right-click to exit. Then add an auxiliary line to help us divide this cabinet into 3 units. Set the height to 900. Enter to confirm. And also make sure the color of the line is blue. Then add the height to 1. Then add auxiliary line to set the panel thickness to 20. Right-click to exit. Then let's draw the rectangles based on the auxiliary lines. Choose Draw Rectangle. Double right-click to exit. Finally, let's clear all auxiliary lines. Then choose Stretch. Push the units inwards to 420. Enough to confirm. For 20 is the depth of the units. Right-click to exit. Then let's adjust the angle. Use Control key to choose all units. Then you can group the cabinet. Choose Combination. Click it again. You can ungroup it. Rotate it. Delete it. This module doesn't support collecting models yet. Then choose Move. Use the point to move it near the wall. Press Shift key. You can copy it. Let's just delete it. Right-click to exit. Next, I will design the light part. First, I will draw another rectangle. Choose Draw Rectangle. Use 2 points to control the rectangle. Then stretch it to 700. Enough to confirm. Then choose Measure. Use this little ruler to measure its length. 2,906. Then draw a little rectangle. Choose Draw Rectangle. Set the rectangle length to 2,960. Then press Tab key to set its width to 400. Enough to confirm. Then stretch it. Stretch it to 200. And then use Control key to choose all of it. And choose Combination to group it. Okay, now click it. Choose Move. Move it to the wall. Then I will design those 3 circles and the logo. First, I will draw the 3 circles. Choose Draw. Polygon. At low position. At here. Here you can set its edge. With more edges, it will become longer. Like here I set it to 90. And it will become a beautiful circle. Here I set its radius to 300. Enough to confirm. And then draw another 2 circles. Set the radius to 150. Double right-click to exit. Then stretch them one by one. Stretch them to 100. Right-click to exit. Then choose Control key to select all of them. And then group it. Next, let's put the logo. Click Text. Here you can write your logo. Like here I just write AiHouse. And here you can set logo's attributes. Like here I set the height to 200. Enough to confirm. And the depth to 50. And the direction I set it to 50. Then we can place it. Place it to the circle. Okay, now we finished the wall. Let's decorate it. Let's go to Public. Go to Cloud. Public. Finish. Choose the texture as you want. And here I just use my collection. Press Control key to apply the group. Then click the texture. Here you can change its attributes. Now we have finished the wall. which hopefully helps you learn about the basic operations of free modeling. Next, I will demonstrate how to design another style of wall for you. Wall with curved edges. Also, first draw a rectangle for the wall. Then stretch it. Stretch it to 200. Then draw another little rectangle. Then go. Then choose Add Auxiliary Line. The distance to the left wall is 300. The distance to the upper wall is 300 too. Also to the right wall is 300. Then right-click to exit. Then to draw a circle, choose Polygon. Set the edges to 30. Double right-click to exit. Then clear the auxiliary line. And select the unwanted lines. Delete them. Use Ctrl key to select all of them. Then choose Stretch. Push it inwards to 200. And confirm. Double right-click to exit. Now I finished the wall. You can decorate it. Put light strip and texture. I will skip this part. Then I will show you how to design two roofs with different styles, gable and mansard. You can use the same technique. Go to Free Modeling. Open the Free Modeling workspace. First draw a rectangle for it. Then stretch it to 1000. Hit Confirm. Right-click to exit. Then choose Move. Move the left line. And the right line. To the middle of it. Right-click to exit. Now here you can see we've finished the first roof, the gable one. You can also select all of it, group it, and then move it. Also press the Shift key, you can copy it. Next, I'm going to design another style of roof, the mansard one. First, let's adjust the angle, draw a rectangle for it, and change it to 1000, then click Confirm. Then choose Zoom. It can split out or shrink in. Here I just shrink it inward. Now we finish the mansard roof. Right-click to exit. As for Loft, first click the surface and choose Loft. Here you can choose the profile you want. Here I choose this one and double-click. At this position, you can change the profile attributes. Click Edge Strip, and you can go back to the profile library. Here you can change the profile position, for example, flip it, mirror it, or rotate it. Next, you can change the profile width. Here I change the width to 60 and click Confirm. Then you can see the thickness will automatically change. If you unlock the proportion, you can change them one by one. Here I change the thickness to 60 and click Confirm. Click the Path tool, and you can draw the lofting path. Then choose the length you want, like this one, and double-click. This is all about the basic operations of free modeling. Thanks for watching.